This guy is my good friend Jack.
Colleague. F you!
And this is his 3-litre Z4 that is, how you say, overdue a service. With main dealer pricing, however, he simply can't afford to service it.
So he's asked me to help him do the work, and I said I would do it for free if he bought the parts, and I taught him how to do it. So just to give us a bit of an idea of how little Jack actually knows about cars, I'm gonna list off a few things that typically people will do with them. So Jack, tie rods.
No.
Brakes.
No.
Lowering springs.
No.
Service.
No.
It's relevant today, you haven't done a service?
I have paid for a man to do a service.
Okay, I don't need to know about that. Stuck a wing on the back.
No, actually.
Carbon fibre wrap.
That I haven't done.
Good man.
I've proudly not done
Good
that.
man.
One.
That is very proud to have not done that. Have you pulled a dent?
No, but we could do that, actually.
We could learn that at some point. I'm trying to be funny here. And finally, have you ever, let's have a think. Have you ever changed an exhaust?
No.
So basically, Jack knows all about what we're doing today. So I am going to be the one helping him. He's got the expert, the one that trained as a mechanic and doesn't practice it anymore.
Oh God. Okay, we have some stuff. I totally know what all of it does. Spark plugs, those are good. Filters, again, very good maintenance. It's done a lot of miles. Hopefully it doesn't go bang 6 hours from home, so you know, preventative. Oil, again, don't go bang. We can sort the rest. It's a bit ugly, but it needs to run. Can we do it?
No.
Have a bit of faith, man, come on.
So first step.
First step, car up, so we're not under it and getting crushed. Very nice. So step one, get that shit under that shit.
Very, very well put. Car up, don't crush yourself. Best way I've ever heard jack up a car.
I have a way with words. Sounding crunchy.
Well, it's an old Beamer. What do you expect?
Valid.
Tools, please, Jeeves.
He needs me already.
Tools, please, Jeeves.
What do you need?
I can't f***ing see it. $10 is a sacred one, but it's not that. I can tell with my bones. 14, as we go. 14's a good number. Call it.
Bear in mind, this is for an oil sump.
That's just too small. Listen, I don't do numbers.
Do you know what all of these mean?
Bigger number means bigger. Bigger is better. So, using that exact theory, 18, no lower. Oh, I think the 18's a bit too big, which means BMW, watch yourself.
Eventually he got the right socket size, but new issues started to flare up.
Get on there, you shag. The f***ing wedge is too long. She's tight, Jesus. Cool, f***ing hell, bruv. Oh, hey guys, this is how you don't do it, by the way. Oh, f***ing mechanic boy, come give me a hand. I don't want to.
Eventually I figured out why he was struggling.
You are a fucking idiot.
I'm aware.
You put that on tight. Right, she's loose. That's your job. I'm stronger than him. I wouldn't even bother, it's finger loose.
It's also scalding hot, isn't it? Fingers are designed to be heat-proof. Trust me, I can cook sometimes. I'm just gonna send it. You ready?
Send it. Make sure that doesn't go in the hole. There's no filter on it.
The f you mean there's no filter on it?
There's no filter on the bloody hole. Make sure you don't get the bloody oil sump bung in the hole.
Oh, that's probably not in there.
Has it gone in the hole?
No, it's not in the hole.
Is it scalding hot?
I don't know. Let's find out. I may have just pushed it in the hole.
You did what? Did you actually?
Listen, you see,
Did you actually put that in the hole, yes or no?
The funny thing,
Did you?
in is a relative term. What is in? I would argue that this is outside and we are in the out, if you know what I mean. I have a fun game of kind of like apple bobbing, but painful, sticky, hot and oily.
And the bigger problem is we're not using an open oil container.
No.
We're using a sealed container,
Yes.
aren't we?
So my plan is to dump it in the ocean because turtles love oil.
And because insurance fraud is better than fixing your mistake.
Yeah, and also I don't live here. I have to drive home.
Before we go fishing, It's next stage. So we're going to do the oil filter, the air filter, and the spark plugs. So, Jack, which do you want to start with?
Like the sparks are going to be a pain in the arse. We'll go for them first. Go for a little bibbity, a little babbity. There we go. 10 mil, the sacred 10.
Well, the thing is you got to get this one off first.
Oh, I was following a roll then. He's off so then. Yeah, this is a long car, Jesus.
Really doesn't.
I think we're good to go. Ooh, how nice.
She did it
Gently.
nice. Gently.
Plastic.
Nice. A fat old yank.
It is just a fat old yank. I thought there'd be more to it than that. Bob that. This is as creaky as my bones every single morning.
Hey, I'm the mechanic here. I'm supposed to have the creaky bones.
But I'm older than the car and everything hurts.
You're older. You're not. Well, actually, to be fair, at least you're not older than my car.
True. How's your car?
28.
Oh, it's around the corner.
Oh, I thought you were using that to get the f***ing coil off.
No, the core's not the hot bit. It's this fucking.
It's the strut brace.
Yeah, what temperature the fucking.
You could just take the strut brace off.
That's much more effort though. Don't count the bolts. I know it's 2. Oh, f***ing me. Your f***ing camera's that way, boy. Next.
We're in for a nice surprise on this one.
Yeah, they're not shit.
They're not terrible. Here's from 1 to 6. 1 is a little bit oily. However, the rest of them are actually okay. There's a bit of a mix of black soot and white soot. Black obviously meaning that it's over fueling, and white meaning it's a bit too lean rather than rich. So it's a bit of a mixture, but then again, you drive this for 5 miles.
Yeah, it drives once every week or so for about 10 minutes. And before that, sat for a year. Before that, sat for about a year. That's fine. That's fine. That's why I'm doing this though.
She's neglected.
Little bit, yeah. But we've got a big old journey here to London to Cornwall and back, so that'll loosen up. Okay, I'll just say this bit looks new and shiny.
This is certainly not the bit that we went out for.
We had this the whole time.
Yeah.
It's just I like this bit, so I cleaned it really well.
Oil filter, cartridge. I prefer these rather than the ones that twist on.
Yeah. I mean,
If you look in between,
seen better days, but
There's
I've not
no-
seen any shit. We got a little sparkle or two.
but then again, this is a 170,000 mile, 21-year-old engine.
Yeah, and the service history is
Spotty.
shaky is what I can use. Yeah, there has been a service maybe at some point.
Does it smell of fuel?
Not really, no.
No, that's a good sign. We're chucking a new one in there.
Hell yeah. We use the correct tools here and don't go to Halfords to buy them, I promise.
I didn't go to Halfords to buy this. I stole it off Toby.
Even better. I can't get, you know those like little puzzles you do as a kid, they put the circle around the circle? I
Yes.
was shit at those, can you tell? Is that high enough or is it need to go
That's
higher?
where it goes.
Goody. Okay, so I am very scared. So I'm gonna guess there's a little ring on here. I don't want to lose it. Is that gonna go if I lose it? Take a bit of force, cool.
There we are. 6 spark plugs changed and 6 coils installed. Jack, how do you find that?
Not bad, honestly. I think the thing to learn is cars aren't fragile. I'm always like, oh, don't break it.
It's already broken enough.
Look at it. I mean, other than that, it's not fragile. You can just yank it and whack it. So if you're like me thinking, what the f do I do?
You got people like me who have taken hammers to Aston Martins.
Yeah, we'll just be a bit brave, you know? Like, this is a shit box. Buy a shit box. Do shit to it.
Learn.
It don't matter.
I feel like considering we are nearly about halfway through this, we have deserved Le Break.
Only the finest, fanciest, upper class Belgian chocolate. Brookie. Tesco.
You know, they say something about mechanics. They will take the onion off of a burger, but they will eat the rest of it with their hands covered in oil. And you know what? That's f***ing true.
Apart from one thing, tomatoes are the worst bit. I'll die on this hill. Look at us. I look short compared to you now. Also, ladies and gents, if this is in the video, contrast, water bottle, rockstar. If you're watching, hit me up, please. I need it.
Okay, so next up is air filter, and it's getting dark because we started this at like 7 o'clock.
And didn't do a Halfords run. That's not why it's dark.
Exactly. But the air filter is the easiest bit. Do you want to see how you do it?
Go on. Cool.
Change
the sound. I have to unplug you as well. This boy?
No.
You just yank it. Oh, there's more little f***ers hiding down here. Hey, yo.
Oh, wow.
Ladies and gents, that is what you don't want to see.
Comparison. Should be that color.
I have a hunch it's been a little while since that's been changed. The art of the shove. These clips feel very old and crusty, and I'm a little bit scared. This last little f***er ain't going on. I'm very conscious about breaking 20-year-old clips. Should we send it?
Yes.
Scared. Hey,
Satisfying.
See?
See, we had all confidence in that.
Yeah, like I was saying, just worst case we lose a clip. That one clip is better than this. So
Yeah, that is a very good point.
it's not lined up, but I do believe in the art of good whack. Top notch.
And this is when we discovered something catastrophically wrong. Oil was in here. So this is supposed to be 8 litres. This car is supposed to hold 6.5.
Okay, so we thought, be prepared.
Yeah.
We'll find some old bottles so we can
Yes.
put it in. So here we are, all lined up, ready to go. Oh wait, no, it's already done. It's just here. And how much is in here, please?
3.4.
So we have
half the oil that should be in there. You ever heard of regular maintenance, Jack?
I have now. Cornwall and back, baby.
The look on your face is concerning. To see if this had done any damage, I decided to check for any metallic grit, which will feel different from dirt and will show up under my flashlight. The oil's not actually that terrible, but there is slight bits of grit. And I do mean slight, but it's enough to be a little bit concerned.
On the plus side though,
We got it back!
we got it back.
It'd be so funny if you just dropped it in there.
2 likes, I'll do it. Literally, 1. Okay. That, ladies and gents, is what we call not enough.
Okay, Jack thought after his cock up, it might be better if I did the sump bung up. Replace the washer.
Give one for me. There it is.
I'm gonna get very high under here. Oh, thank you. Very speedy delivery.
I say.
And the last step to all this is pouring in all of the Castrol oil. We have 8 litres, the car takes 6.5, but how much was in there earlier? Just remind me.
It was over half, which is
It
good.
was over half, true.
Not by a lot. It was about 3.5, yeah. But it could have been 2.
We poured in the oil, put the sump cover back on,
Do be a dear and go in the fucking hole. I think we're on.
and let the car back down on the ground. Topped her up and had a fight with a dipstick.
Sure.
Alright.
Okay, yeah, we are. Erin boy mount.
Ah, there we go.
German girl.
It was that tight.
She tight.
And with my seal of approval, better. Much better. We were ready.
You ready?
We're ready.
Are we scared? It's an improvement. This is genuinely a sweet lullaby.
This is an
compared to what it was
improvement.
before. It's not perfect. The car's not perfect. I'm a rookie. However, we have improved, and that's the goal.
That is, to be fair,
That's a lot better.
that's a lot better than it was. Success!
Anyone can do this. If I can do it, knowing grand total of all,
And being an idiot.
with a few YouTube tutorials or an expert behind the camera,
Oh, he's finally admitting it.
expert behind the camera, not expert mechanic.
Ah.
You can do it. I'm thoroughly impressed. Now we need is the headlight clean.
Last thing we need to do though, Jack,
Last thing to do,
we need to take it for a drive.
take it for a drive. Let's go.
This thing runs so much smoother. Obviously the suspension is not the most smooth thing in the world, but it runs so much better, doesn't it?
It's actually alive again. It's a working car, not just, you know,
Something that's about to kill itself. It's proof enough that if you have one of these, don't be scared by it. It's a car. It has a lot that can go wrong, yes, but it's not made of glass. So if you're like Jack and had no experience with this kind of thing before, get out there, get some tools, get a couple of mates, and go and work on your cars. Thanks very much, guys. Take care.